The Doran 1200 MSP is a durable general-purpose bench scale that delivers excellent performance and long-term value at a great price point. Designed for commercial and industrial applications, the 1200 is a smart choice for a range of weighing tasks. The 1200 scale is ideal for shipping and receiving, portable weighing, manual batching, and quality control. The indicator features an easy-to-read weight display and battery power. The 1200 also features a rugged scale base for years of trouble-free weighing. Before unpacking your Doran scale, please read the instruction manual. Your new scale is a durable industrial product, but it is also a sensitive weighing instrument. Normal care should be taken when handling and using this product. The scale should arrive to you factory calibrated, so there should be no need for you to calibrate the scale. If you notice any shipping damage, notify the shipper immediately. Please observe the following precautions to ensure years of trouble-free service from your new scale. Connect the cord to a compatible power source. Briefly press print, on, off, until the scale beeps. Basic weighing operation. First, remove all items from the scale platform. Second, press the 0 button to zero the scale. Third, the weight display now reads 0. Fourth, place an item on the scale platform and wait for the motion annunciator to turn off, indicating an accurate, stable weight. Please see the manual for additional information about functions such as check weighing and more. Also be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com for a wide selection of scales and weighing equipment.